Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the weather widget from your taskbar in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. This ensures that all system components are ready and responsive before you start making any changes to your taskbar settings. Once your PC is up and running, let's get into the actual removal process. Navigate down to your Windows taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This is where your Start button, pinned apps, and system tray icons are located. Now right-click anywhere on an empty space of the taskbar. This action will bring up a context menu with several customization options for your taskbar. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled News and Interests. Hover your cursor over it and you'll see a submenu expand with additional choices. From this submenu, simply click on Turn Off. This immediately removes the weather widget from your taskbar, giving you a cleaner, more streamlined look without any weather information cluttering your workspace. And that's it. You've successfully removed the weather widget from your Windows 11 taskbar, freeing up valuable space and simplifying your desktop interface. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.